stop what you are doing right now, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to teach you how to manifest anything that you want in 24 hours or less. Yes, you heard that right. Whether you want love, happiness, success, having financial freedom, being able to tour around the world, looking the way that you want to look, anything that you want. I'm serious. You already have the power to bring it into your reality. The truth is, you have been manifesting your entire life. You've just been doing it unconsciously. But today I'm going to teach you how to flip the switch, take control, and step into a version of you that effortlessly commands your reality. By the end of this video, I guarantee that you will know how to embody your highest power to get the fastest and easiest result possible. So, are you ready? Okay, let's go. Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today we're going to be talking about how to enter God mode and manifest anything that you want, multiple things, in 24 hours. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption, so if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You are also more than welcome to enroll in my Manifest Your SP course. I take you step by step in chronological order of how to have the most perfect self-concept, where you know that everything about you is perfect, that you know that you are a master manifester. The 3D world reflects that out to you. You are able to then manifest anything instantly, and also you will be able to have a perfect self-concept forever, because I also teach you how to maintain it and how to use it in relation to law of assumption. If you are interested, just go on ritaKaminsky.com/courses or click the very first link in the description box down below. I intend for this video to change your life for the absolute best. And with that, let's get into it. So here's the truth about God mode. First, let me tell you about something that most people don't realize and they choose not to see. Your external world is not separate from you. Your reality is simply a reflection of your internal assumptions, beliefs, knowing what is the truth in this world. They all mean the same thing. Guess what? Everything that you have ever experienced in your life is a projection of your internal state. No exceptions. The law is the law. But why does the law of assumption take so long for some people? They keep seeing themselves as separate from their desires, but they are their desires because they were created by God, by the higher power, to carry out those desires. They were born with those desires in them already, given by God. So you and God are actually working together to bring about your desires. God made us in His likeness, so you are also God, the God of your reality, which is everything that you experience around you, all the 5 senses. God mode changes the victim mentality and the, oh my God, but why isn't it here yet? Instantly. You will be able to see everything that you want around you in seconds. When you are in God mode, you actually realize that you command what it is that you want to see in your reality. You decree it. You say, I am in a relationship with my SP, and it is so. You don't hope, you expect. You don't wait, you receive. There's no patience, there's no BBLs, there's no signs. It just falls into your lap instantly. That is God mode. And I'm going to show you exactly how to switch into this reality bending state now. Step 1, drop the human limitations. Most people are stuck in an illusion. They are too busy waiting, hoping, thinking, pontificating, all of that not so fun stuff. But in God mode, you receive it instantly. You create it instantly. The first shift is realizing everything is already yours. It's already done right now. That is exactly why my merch says it's already done on it. So repeat after me. It's already done. I have it now. Literally, the moment that you realize that this is a fact in your reality reshapes to conform to that. You don't have to earn it, you don't have to wait for it, and you do not have to figure out the how, because it's already done. The second that you decide that it's yours, it must appear. It is quite literally the law of assumption. Step number 2, step into the state of the wish fulfilled. This is also known as living in the end, quantum shifting, just deciding or knowing it into being, because it's already done. Okay, so this is where people get stuck, because everyone loves to affirm, people visualize, people do all of these other techniques, but they actually don't feel like they have it. Yes, saturating our subconscious mind is very, very powerful and important, and I do this myself every single day. But to truly step into God mode, it's by you knowing that it is in your reality right now and believing it. Saturating your subconscious mind is the cherry on top of the cake. To be truly unstoppable, we must do both. Here is the shortcut. You must embody the version of yourself who already has it. Not we're acting as if or faking it till we make it. We are being the person who has that desire. Feel it, think like it, talk like it, walk like it. What would happen if you checked your Chase app right now and those $10,000 were in your bank account? This is serious stuff, you guys. If you were already in your dream relationship right now, how would your life look like? What would be happening in your life on a moment-to-moment basis? You would more likely than not be living the same life that you're living now, with just an added bonus of your soulmate there. Your subconscious mind is responding to whatever state you are in. Yes, you can use words, robotic affirmations to get there, but at the very end of the day, it is about your state. How are you thinking and feeling right now? Do you have it? Do you know that it is here in this right now reality? The next step is to, yes, saturate our subconscious mind. We want that final push, final kick to remind our subconscious mind that we already have it now. So we can say, I make $100,000 a month, if that's what we're manifesting. Pretend you are Sophie Rain and you know that you are earning $4 million a month. When she gets interviewed and she is asked, how much do you earn a month? And she says, $4 million. She is in the state of the person, of the Sophie Rain who is receiving $4 million a month, because that is her state. The gag is that you don't need the 5 senses for that validation. You can be as confident as her saying that you make $4 million and have it actually not happen in your 5 senses, meaning feeling, tasting, seeing, touching, and hearing, fully experiencing it in your 3D, and it will still show up. The reason why we have these techniques is that we are reminding ourselves that we are in the state of the you that has that $4 million a month, or whatever it is that you are manifesting. Sophie Rain does not need that because she's already experiencing it in her 3D reality with her 5 senses, and that is her validation. But since we do not have that, we are being Sophie Rain and we are validating ourselves by techniques. Here is the final step. Detach and expect instant results. You must stop checking for results. I was doing a live the other day and some people were asking me, but how can I not check results if I walk past the mirror all the time? Well, there's not some invisible gremlin latched onto your head and literally is trying to make you look at the mirror at yourself. Simply put your eyes down, walk past the mirror. We're not validating the 3D, we're validating what is going on in our minds. Checking means you don't believe that it is already done now. Yes, Sophie Rain can check her bank account and see what she sees in the bank account and be validated by her 5 senses. We are validating ourselves in our minds, and then we will see it in our 3D, and then you can check and be happy all that you want. The moment that you release that neediness and move into expectation, reality will bend at your will. No kidding. So here is your challenge. Pick one thing that you want to manifest in the next 24 hours. Something big and bold and undeniable. Now follow these steps. Number 1, decide. Decide it's already yours. No hesitation, no doubting. Number 2, embody the version of you who already has it. Shift into the feeling of already having it. Step number 3, affirm, affirm, affirm. Affirm that thing and saturate your subconscious mind. For example, if you decided that you want to be a professional boxer in 24 hours, continue to affirm I am a professional boxer. Number 4, detach and expect it. No more checking. It is already done. Stop validating that 3D. Then watch what happens. I'm so excited for you. This is going to be magic because most people will see undeniable results within hours. And what do you do when that happens? Come back to this video and comment what you did manifest within 24 hours because it's going to motivate everyone else in the comment section. Your success is going to inspire hundreds of thousands of people. To sum it all up, you are the god of your reality. You don't need permission. You don't need time. You don't need struggle. Everything bends to your state. The second you shift, reality must obey. So if this video spoke to you, don't just watch it, act on it. Drop a comment down below to tell me what you are manifesting and I will reply. Share this with someone who needs to wake up to their power. And if you're ready to go even deeper, join me in my coaching program, The Perfect Self Concept, because this is just the beginning. Now go and manifest like a god because it is done. And with that, I trust this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.